How do I tell my husband that I don't want to be intimate with him without feeling guilty or having to deal with his anger? First thing first, marriage is not always convenient. We choose in love to offer whatever we can, what we believe is good. And there are so many reasons why someone will not be in the mood at a time. And so if I answer this question at the level of blissful union, we will be in trouble. And that's why a lot of people are in a mess right now, because the answer to this question from scriptures is that you don't say no to your spouse, right? But that's a messed up answer if we don't understand the process. There is a process. There's a process. First, we need to build friendship. And in order to build friendship, we have to have a joyful heart. To keep a joyful heart, we need to learn to have a massive love tank, so that when people say wrong things to us, we are still in the right state of mind to deal with that. All right. So if those are not in place, what I'm going to say to you now would not be very useful. If you've not learned to have a joyful heart, if you've not learned to have a massive love tank, you're not going to be able to do what I'm just about to tell you to do, which is to be able to look at the situation and discuss it with your husband. Explain and give an option. Every time you want to say no to somebody, you just don't say no if you're a friend. Okay. The thing is, you say, not right now, I will give you some other opportunity. That's how we deal with situations. And of course, there's going to be times when you would just choose, like, yes, why not? I want to offer this blessing. I want to love my husband and offer my body to him because I love him. I don't feel like, but I will do it as a blessing, and I'll enjoy the process of making him happy. Those things that I'm saying right now make no sense, and they are useless to a person who have not dealt with being joyful themselves, and understanding true submission to God, telling the truth about their lives and about situations, and living well with their spouse. So this is why I said it is important that we follow the steps. If you don't follow the steps in the order, any counsel you get would not work well with you. It won't work well. You have the idea and you will understand it, and you will not be able to carry it out. Why? Because you've not built the proper foundations. Like somebody telling you how to build a roof when you've not even built the house. You don't have the foundation. You will learn it. It's an interesting topic, how to build a roof. Yes, interesting. But what about the foundation? You don't have one. And so this is why you need to work on this, and trust God that if you're working on that, you'll be able to say, you know what, my dear, right now I'm really tired. I'm having this problem. But you know what? Tomorrow, or a couple of hours from now, or whatever you want to say, whatever you feel like offering, this is how you do that. All right. Okay.